Modigazzi The Browns.
This is a pretty chilly day out here today. I want to start chopping some wood on the property. I just got this little electric chainsaw sharpener from Harbor Freight. I think it was $19. It was on sale for $15, 14 something, and I used a 30% off coupon. So I got it pretty cheap, like $11 or $12. And that's definitely a lot cheaper than having to replace the blades on the chainsaw. So we're going to go through step by step how to sharpen the chainsaw blade on this Harbor Freight electric chainsaw sharpener. This right here is, they call it the vise, but it is basically like a little place where you lay your chainsaw blade. And it has a mitering component to it where you can switch the angle of the cut, because if you look on here, each one of these teeth are angled in a different direction. So this one is angled that way, but if you go to the next saw blade, it's angled in the opposite direction. So the reason that mitering component is on there is so you can sharpen both ways. Let's go through the components of this really quick, okay? So when you get this thing in, this right here is attached to a handle, and you can lock the blade in place. So see, it pulls, and then this goes in. Now it's there. So here, there, locks in place. So you want the cutting edge going that way. So see, the cutting edge going that way. This locks there. So, and then this will come down and cut. So let's put it in place here. There, edge to here, just like that. Come down, and so there, twist this and it moves this over, and then this is the locking nut. This is the locking nut that locks it in place. So look, it locks right there. So this adjusts. So that will go right down in that slot. This is on and off button, and then this is the adjuster for the height. Hey guys, I was able. Wait. Oh. Hey, after sharpening my chainsaw blade, I was able to make all the cuts in the wood that's laying behind me. You can see right there. And no, it was really good. I went through most of it like butter. Towards the end, started slowing down a little bit. I'll probably have to sharpen it again, you know, because I'm chopping so. I mean, I'm cutting so much. But the little Harbor Freight chainsaw sharpener is really worth it. So, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Hi everybody, thanks for watching this video, and if you like what we do, the little round button right there, I think right there is our subscribe button. And then right here, that's our Patreon page. You can go give us a little special thank you. And make sure you check out these other videos over here. Thanks guys, we really appreciate it. Bye.